Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss solidification cause of alloys. In last lecture we have discussed solidification of pure metal and alloy soluble at liquid and solid state. In this lecture eutectic system, in which alloy is soluble at liquid state but insoluble in solid state. Alloys soluble at liquid state but partially soluble at solid state. And other system is peritectic system. All are solidification systems of alloys or at different proportionate mixture. We will discuss one by one in subsequent slide. This is eutectic system, and in eutectic system alloys are soluble at liquid state and insoluble at solid state. This is liquidus line. Above this line or above this temperature, metal will be in liquid state. This is also liquidus line. Above all temperature, metals remain in liquid state. This is composition, and we have taken sample of cadmium and bismuth, and proportionate of the composition is shown here on x-axis and temperature on y-axis. This line is constant temperature line or isothermal line. This is indicating eutectic temperature. What is eutectic? Eutectic is Greek word eutecton, means immediate solidification. There is no various range are available for this solidification. Other region have some solidification range. In previous lecture we have discussed solidification starting and ending point. So suppose consider the example of this line, and some proportionate is 20 and 80% of cadmium and bismuth. So here solidification start. This is liquidus line, and it is gradually increase till the eutectic temperature. But here what happened? Solidification start at some time and it will completed at constant temperature. So this is constant temperature line and this is eutectic point. So eutectic mixture is standard mixture. We cannot alter or change the eutectic mixture for specific metals. Cadmium and bismuth has this composition 40% cadmium and 60% bismuth. This is eutectic mixture. We cannot alter this mixture. Now how solidification takes place in eutectic system and metals are insoluble in solid state. This region from eutectic point, here cadmium is start from 0 to 100%. So cadmium solubility or cadmium solidification, this side is known as hypereutectic mixture. Hypoeutectic mixture, not hypoeutectic mixture. Lower composition, lower for cadmium. It is reverse for bismuth. But cadmium is changing from 0 to 100 here. So for cadmium, this side is hypoeutectoid mixture. And from eutectic line on right side, it is hypoeutectoid. Hypoeutectic, not eutectoid, hypoeutectic mixture. And both sides, the major constituents start solidification first. Here bismuth is higher amount and cadmium is lower. So in this region, when solidification start, bismuth will solidify first. Suppose we consider this composition 20-80%. Here at point 1, solidification of bismuth will start. Here dendrite start. How dendrite start? We have discussed in last lecture. There are number of atoms making a dendrite in all directional. We are here discussing two directional, but it is back side and front side also. Atoms are adhering to each other, and this is known as dendrite creation. So this dendrite creation, this is a sample of solid at point A, and at that point some solidification or dendrite of bismuth is started. Why bismuth started? Because here bismuth composition is higher. So higher amount will start solidification first. So here 5 dendrite of the bismuth are created. Further cooling, if we will lose heat from this this mixture of solid and liquid, this dendrite will be grow. Means this area will be increased, and continuously solidification takes up to this eutectic point. At that eutectic point, what happen? Bismuth solidify, but remaining mixture is not soluble. Some bismuth is solidified, but all bismuth and this cadmium are not soluble. So what happen? Remaining mixture makes the solution of bismuth and cadmium in lamellar form or lamellar form. Lamellar form is the form in which there are layer of one bismuth layer and other will be the layer of the cadmium. Second will be the bismuth layer and other will be cadmium layer. So this region, this blue lines and white space is mixture of bismuth and cadmium, and it is known as eutectic mixture. If two different layers are formed and solidify, it is known as eutectic mixture. But the first started solid, which is bismuth, and this solidification which was started earlier, it will be purely solidified, and this is bismuth region. This gray area is purely bismuth solidified, and this hatch line indicate the mixture of eutectic. Eutectic mixture means eutectic is mixture of bismuth and cadmium in lamellar structure. Laminar is the layer by layer. Suppose number of plates are arranged one by one, and its piling is known as lamellar. So here the blue is one of the metal and white is one of the metal and created lamellar structure. So in this solidification, you can change the proportion at any way. Here you can change proportion. So what happened? Here solidification start of the bismuth and completed at here. But this region will be changed. Here higher amount of bismuth, this region will be reduced. This gray region or gray area will be reduced because here bismuth is reduced. In this region, suppose you are going, this area will be increased. Less amount of bismuth and cadmium mixture means lamellar or eutectic mixture will be less. So in this region up to eutectic point, this solidification will be changed. This is not structure, this is solid phase. We can say phase. This gray is phase of only bismuth, and this hatch line is phase of bismuth and cadmium layer arranged by successive position. Cadmium bismuth layer. So these are the two solid phase here. Metal cannot soluble, so substitutional or interstitial solution are not possible, and metal solidified on different phase. Suppose we will take the example of here eutectic point. This is the standard mixture, 40% cadmium and 60% bismuth. So here solidification start at constant temperature. This is eutectic temperature is standard, and here it will be solidified. So here you cannot see solidification starting and ending point. So here how many solidification or dendrite started, that dendrite will be grow. Suppose here 4 dendrite are started at this point and this dendrite point will grow, then it will be converted in lamella of mixture of cadmium and bismuth. So this is the mixture of cadmium and bismuth. Here pure solidification is not available. Any composition of cadmium or bismuth purely not available. All are arranged in lamella structure or lamella layers. So here we can say how many the grain size or grain region are created initially during the when solidification started. But here you cannot observe the change in temperature. It is constant temperature process and latent heat of fusion will be changed from or lose from 1 to point number 1 to 2. But here is the cause is composition versus temperature. So we can say the constant temperature. Suppose we will observe from side. It is constant temperature point. And eutectic point is standard mixer. It always solidify in this way. It makes layer or maybe not making all material, not making a lamella structure. So it will be proportionately solidify whatever may be the standard proportionate. And in this region, what happened? Here cadmium is predominant. Cadmium percentage is 100%. तो यहाँ क्या होगा कि 100% कैडमियम है तो कैडमियम will start solidify first. Suppose we are considering this composition 80% cadmium and 20% bismuth. We have changed the composition reverse manner. So point number 3, solidification started of cadmium. So here this light green are created, this dendrite are created in liquid. Other material is liquid. This red dash line is all the liquid material. If you will cool continuously, this green region will increase continuously. Means its size will be increased. You know the dendrite creation started with 4 atoms, but it will continuously increasing till all metal are solidified. अगर liquid solidified जब तक होता है तब तक इनकी साइज बढ़ती रहती है. तो यहाँ solidification खत्म हो जाएगा. This is the eutectic temperature line and solidus line. At that point solidification खत्म हो जाएगा. So at that point this green dendrite created initially, it will be grow and make this size. This is purple color is indicating the pure cadmium solid, pure cadmium phase. Cadmium phase. This purple color, and this is the converted from this green to this purple. What happened? Other is not soluble. Pure cadmium is solidified, but other mixture what happened? Other mixture making lamella structure. Same way which produced here is lamella structure. So this is the mixture of the cadmium and bismuth. Cadmium bismuth and it create the lamella structure, layer of the lamella. This is, and what lamella means what happened? This black line is suppose cadmium, this white region is bismuth. Then again cadmium is black line, then white region is bismuth. So this is one by one arranged layer, and this solidification is known as eutectic mixture or lamellar mixture, and this is the second phase. So you can check from here this one solid, the first solid is this, the second solid is eutectic solid, and third solid in which the composition change. Major composition is cadmium, here major composition is bismuth. So there are 3 solid, but inside the solid you can judge there are 2 solid are present. This is one is the layer of the bismuth cadmium and pure cadmium. Here only layer of the bismuth and cadmium pure metal is not solidified because this is eutectic mixture. So here solidification of the cadmium and bismuth both starting simultaneously. Here what happened? Bismuth and or cadmium solidify first, depends on the percentage of the composition, which composition is higher as well as the highest और मेल्टिंग टेम्परेचर. जिसका भी टेम्परेचर ज्यादा है वो पहले सॉलिडिफाई होगा. So this is the one of the eutectic system. In eutectic system you always find one eutectic point where metal is start solidify simultaneously, both the mixer. And below this line is which is horizontal constant solidus line. You can say that here metal is not soluble in solid state. So this is a part of the solidification curve of insoluble in solid state. Second system is eutectic system in which metal is liquid state soluble. यहाँ soluble है लेकिन यहाँ partially soluble है. This is eutectic line and it is for this sample lead and tin. Here mixer is taken lead and tin, and for lead and tin it is 183 temperature is eutectic temperature. And composition, eutectic composition is 61.9% is tin and remaining is lead, nearly about 40% or 38%. This is lead. This is eutectic composition. Here it will solidify simultaneously both lead and tin. We will start solidification from each region. This is liquidus line. Red line is shown here, liquidus line. Above this, where whatever may be mixture, metal remain in liquid state. Below this line, blue line is indicating solidus line. So whenever cooling, we are cooling metal, after passing this blue line, metal will be in solid state. Depends on mixer. And this is solvus line. In this region, after becoming a solid, metal will change to other solid. Solid converting to other solid, that is known as solvus line. So this both side green line is indicating solvus line. Here temperature in y-axis and composition on x-axis, similar way we have constructed. We will cool liquid from A to C and at this region. Suppose this point is indicating is whatever may be B point anywhere. At that point, at blue line, after passing blue line, this composition will be solidified. Suppose we will consider this point. At one point solidification started and point 2 it will be ended. So we will discuss one by one this region so we can understand how the metal will be solidified from liquid to solid state. We will take portion of this diagram and we will discuss one by one this composition. This one composition, this second, third, fourth and fifth and sixth. This last region you can prepare yourself. We will discuss up to the eutectic mixer. This is the reverse manner here. Depends on proportion of the lead. This is same region is or behavior of the solidification will be similar to this region, but here proportion will be same. So first region we will discuss on next slide. This is some portion of the previously discussed solidification course. And last slide. Some portion is considered here. Here one composition is 0.2% of the tin Here this is the tin and this is lead. 100% lead and tin is SN. Up to 2% tin है वो solidify है. That's why here this line is created. Point A, you know above liquidus line, point A, all metal is liquid. This color is selected for liquid and L is written for indicating liquid. Then we will cooling this material, means absorb heat or discharging heat. Then suppose B point is at this region or intermediate region or maybe lower blue line region. You can select here any point. Suppose we have considered at the red line, what happened? Solidification below this temperature, solidification start. This below red line, suppose this is line. This is solidification line. Slightly below red line means liquidus line. क्योंकि यहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट स्टार्ट होगा तो एक दो एटम मिलेंगे तो हम बता नहीं सकते कि कितना सोलिडिफाई हुआ. थोड़ा सा कम और डाउन टेम्परेचर पर ले लेते हैं तो वहां सोलिडिफिकेशन स्टार्ट होगा. और यहाँ जो टीन का कंपोजिशन है, टीन है वो मिनिमम है और इस साइड इंक्रीज होता है और यहाँ लीड है ये ज्यादा है. तो सोलिडिफिकेशन किसका पहले होगा? Here solidification depends on solubility. Solidification दोनों का स्टार्ट होगा, लीड का पहले होगा, लेकिन this line indicating solubility of the lead, tin, and how many % tin is soluble. So here whatever may be solidification started is indicated by this dendrite. This is indicated by alpha. Alpha name is given randomly. There is no any phase, such a phase which you can identify the alpha phase. This is name is given in random manner. So this solidification or dendrite started below this red line, remaining in liquid. This brownish color is, or this liquid initially shown is remain in liquid. And alpha phase started. Whatever may be solid started, its name is given alpha. Further cooling at below blue line, metal will be converted into 100% alpha phase. This alpha phase will grow continuously and whole metal or liquid converted into alpha phase. So here initially 3 dendrite created. So I have shown here 3 dendrite, 1, 2 and 3. It will be grow up to the boundary from core to boundary and this solid is created. Because here tin is completely soluble this region. tin soluble है तो यहाँ pure alpha phase ही बनेगा. जो भी 2% tin है और रिमेनिंग 98% है वो लीड है. तो दोनों का मिक्सर जो बना वो अल्फा फेज है. तो यहाँ एक अकेला टीन नहीं है, टीन एंड लीड बोथ आर देयर, बट percentage of tin is maximum 2% and 2% is completely soluble in lead at room temperature. So it will indicate alpha phase or pure alpha phase is available. Here alpha phase started, it will grow and at this blue line it will be converted into alpha phase. So in this region anywhere you can find alpha phase. Suppose you consider second region, second point we have changed the percentage of 10% and 90%. 10% tin and 90% lead. Here you know now your solidification started and in this region this alpha is grown. This alpha phase is grown. And further cooling, what happened here? Complete alpha phase becomes solidified. So here any region, this will be in alpha phase. यहाँ solid बन गया तो ये solid change नहीं हो रहा है. तो यहां तक ये रिमेन्स अल्फा फेज, यहां बन गया, यहां से कोई भी रीजन ले लो, यहां तक दिस विल बी अल्फा फेज, एंड दिस अल्फा फेज और टीन इज मैक्सिमम सोल्यूबल अप टू 19%, 19%. So 90% तक alpha phase will be created, but below this temperature, this eutectic temperature 183, this alpha will be becomes insoluble some percent. Solubility increase में इस साइड जाओगे तो अल्फा का फेज का प्रोपोर्शन रिड्यूस होता जाएगा. So at this green line, what happened? This alpha, some of the alpha phase converting into beta phase. Here is the beta phase. Other phase is beta. So this yellow region indicating beta phase. Beta is another type of phase in which lead and tin have mixture. This is lead. This blank is tin. Then again this is lead. So this metal have mixture of this solidified metal is known as alpha and beta. Mixture of the alpha and beta. So this beta phase is created in this region. This is pure alpha phase. So here some beta phase started and it will remain in same manner. Here it cannot change again by cooling this region because this is depends on percentage composition. So after solvers line, at this point some of the alpha will be converted into beta. So originally this alpha region, alpha pure alpha solidified, but after crossing due to this reduction in solubility of the alpha phase, it will indicating some beta phase. Beta is another type of phase. It is a type of phase, not here structure or any other pure metal. Beta not indicating the pure lead or pure tin, or alpha not indicating pure tin or lead. It is a totally phase, one type of phase in which metal is soluble on different percentage. Suppose this is alpha phase at 183 degree, here will be maximum 19% tin. So this is shown as alpha phase because of the solubility of the tin. You can give other name also, delta, gamma or anyway. So you can identify or understand in this region is the 2%. So whenever the alpha is created, it will be continuously remain alpha phase at room temperature. But in second region or second proportion, what happen here, alpha is created, but again this due to this solubility of the tin, it will create or it will remain some alpha phase and other is converted into beta phase. So it is not purely this blue region or indicated in C, it not remain here at this point. Or you can any composition you can take, the solubility is different. So here what happen, here alpha is converted into some beta region. So this beta indicate the solubility reducing continuously. But here 2% is the maximum solubility. Again it is not decreasing. So up to 2% directly you will got this alpha phase. We will discuss other example or other proportion. This is here. This is maximum solubility 90% of alpha phase. We have set third region is selected. Here nearly about 30-70 composition. 0.1 solidification started, alpha phase started. Here alpha phase is started left side from the eutectic line. So similar way here alpha is started, solidified. Other metal is liquid. Again you will reach point number 2, this alpha is grown. This is very small region from to this point number 2, it will grow. and grow, how many grow it will be, मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा अल्फा कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, यहाँ सॉलिड होगा तो पूरा अल्फा बन जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं, क्योंकि यहाँ मैक्सिमम सोल्यूबिलिटी अल्फा की 90% है। तो अप टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ टोटल वॉल्यूम अप टू 90% ही ग्रो होगा। ये यहाँ स्मॉल रीजन सॉलिडिफाई हुआ है, दैट रीजन इज ग्रो अप टू 90%। एट पॉइंट नंबर 2 हियर is solidus line indicating that maximum 90% of the alpha phase is soluble। और फर्दर कूलिंग करेंगे तो यहाँ तो सोल्यूबिलिटी रिड्यूस हो रही है, दिस साइड अल्फा फेज की सोल्यूबिलिटी रिड्यूस हो रही है, तो फिर ये क्या होगा, ये छोटा होता जाएगा। लेकिन बिलो दी पॉइंट नंबर 2, सपोज 1 डिग्री हम काउंट कर लेते हैं, 183 है ये, तो 2 नंबर को 182 ले लेते हैं और 2 डेज को हम ले लेते हैं 182 यहाँ और 184 यहाँ, 1 डिग्री ज्यादा और 1 डिग्री कम, तो कंपोजिशन में ज्यादा और एक और में ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, लेकिन 184 इंडिकेटिंग दिस रीजन एंड आफ्टर 1 डिग्री नीचे चलेंगे तो यहाँ क्या होगा, जो बाकी की ये जो लिक्विड मेटल है, दिस लिक्विड विल कन्वर्ट और क्रिएट a dendrite of lamellar structure, these 2 different blue color, one is sky blue and one is navy, both are indicating the different lamella, means यहाँ 2 नंबर पर जो रिमेनिंग लिक्विड है वो सॉलिडिफाई होगा इन लेमेलार लेयर। दिस इज 1 लेमेला of 1 phase, this pure red is other phase, so this is suppose alpha, this is beta, तो अल्फा बीटा का लेयर बनना शुरू होगा। ये जो प्योर अल्फा सॉलिडिफाई है ये 19% जो मैंने 1 डिग्री नीचे किया है, 1 डिग्री ज्यादा टेम्परेचर नहीं किया, 1 डिग्री किया है, इसलिए दिस इज रिमेन नियर टू दिस, वी कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाई बाय 1 डिग्री द चेंज इन solubility, so this alpha at 19 maximum solubility is remain in core, but outside this lamella started from this liquid metal, this liquid 16.9% is the liquid which this is eutectic mixture, so this lamella are growing continuously whenever or up to the this metal is solidified, जो लिक्विड है वो कंप्लीट सॉलिडिफाई होगा तब तक ये कंटिन्यूअसली ग्रो होता जाएगा। तो एट पॉइंट नंबर 3, दिस इज द कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर लाइन, सो वी कैन नॉट इंडिकेट हियर चेंज इन टेम्परेचर इन वर्टिकल लाइन, so this is happen at this point in from front view in this diagram, this is only happen at point number 2, but for simplicity or understanding I am showing point number 2 and 2 days above 1 degree and below 1 degree, but it is constant temperature process, and at room temperature or any lower temperature this lamella will grow to this way, but this alpha remain here. How many alpha remain here? It will be depends on solubility. Suppose at this temperature you can find the solubility of the alpha, so maybe 2% or 3%. So initially whatever the area, it will be continuously decrease here. This area continuously decrease because here solubility of the alpha phase is going down or decreasing. So at that point it is maximum 90%, but again it is decreasing because tin is solubility is reduced, tin की solubility यहाँ reduce हो रही है at room temperature. This is maximum soluble here at 19%. तो ये remaining is lamellar structure, lamellar, and this is pure alpha, and lamellar is known as alpha plus beta. Here also alpha, this same color is alpha, but here alpha and beta are arranged in overlapping, just like overlapping plates. And this is eutectic point. This is third, or we have prepared here one number, 2 number, and 3 number. Discussed in last slide. This is eutectic point. Here solidification start and end at constant temperature. This is mixture is 61.19 and remaining is lead. At that point, only alpha plus beta lamellar structure is possible. So what happened during solidification, when we reach this 183 degree temperature, this small lamella start to solidify. Here not alpha will start, because you have passed this alpha solidification range up to this point, up to 19%, this alpha is possible. But at eutectic point, there is no pure alpha phase or no delta phase is available. It is available in small layers. So this is blue is alpha phase and this light blue is beta phase. This is small layer of the alpha beta phase are started simultaneously. And this lamellar solidification growing continuously, and it will be completed at constant temperature. Suppose here point G, solidification started. This is point G, both are G available in this diagram, because here we are considering time and here temperature. So this diagram here solidification cooling curves are considered. This started here and this ended here. So this is constant temperature line at the lamella of the alpha and beta are started and it will be ended at constant temperature. So here 3 layers are started, 3 dendrites started, alpha plus beta, and these 3 alpha plus beta are solidified completely. So this is possible only at eutectic temperature. At that point here, what happens? Some alpha will start first. So here you can find some alpha pure solidified and remaining is lamellar. Remaining it will be lamellar. Some alpha purely available. But eutectic point you cannot find pure beta or alpha. You find always only the lamellar structure. And suppose you will start solidify in this region. In this region, first beta will grow. Suppose you will consider this liquid. Here at point number 2, you will get first beta. And beta solubility will be increased depends on solubility of lead. So it is very low on this region. Here solubility of lead is 1.5%, maximum 1.5%, and at room temperature again it is 0. So you can construct this solidification curve. Here beta will be created first, same way alpha, beta plus liquid, and again here what happened? This beta depends on proportion remain there. Beta will be remain there as per solubility of the metal. Here it will be 1.5%, so it will be the region of the 1.5% of the total region. And remaining will be the lamella of alpha and beta. This is lamellar structure of alpha and beta. So here it will be beta. This is beta. We have discussed already here. Okay, this is alpha created and this alpha grow completely. But here alpha grow completely is possible in this region only. And maybe some percent up to some temperature. So it is not possible at lowest temperature, but you can get pure alpha structure and some specific temperature and some specific composition. So whatever maybe we have drawn blue color in last slide, the alpha growth totally, that is possible on small up to some temperature only, not at room temperature, because here solubility going to 0, but here solubility available up to 2%. So you can prepare the solidification curve of the pure alpha solidification up to 2%. Prepare yourself the solid phase of various color, which clearly indicating beta phase creation and pure beta phase creation at these two lines I, J and K, L. This is your assignment. Next we will discuss, this is the arrangement symbolically shown the lamellar structure. This is lamella solidified, which is shown in last slide. And this is the arrangement of the plates of the, this is alpha, this is beta, this is alpha, this is beta. In this way this is arranged. This is a sandwich of the two phase alpha beta in sequence. This is peritectic system. Peritectic system occurs when mixture of the two metal have melting temperature which melting temperature have very high difference. Suppose एक मेटल का मेल्टिंग टेम्परेचर है 1600 डिग्री सेल्सियस से ज्यादा है, मीन्स प्लेटिनम, और एक मेटल है सिल्वर, उनका मेल्टिंग टेम्परेचर है सपोज बिलो 1000. So what is 600 to 700 is the melting temperature difference of the two metals, and we will mix them, then it will create peritectic system. Peritectic system is a system in which one metal completely solidified but other remain in liquid, other is not solidified, because the highest temperature 1600 है, उनका टेम्परेचर हम 1500 लाएंगे तो सॉलिडिफाइड बनना स्टार्ट होगा और 1400 में खत्म भी हो जाएगा. लेकिन सिल्वर का तो मेल्टिंग टेम्परेचर वेरी लो है, तो ये क्या होगा कि ये लिक्विड बना रहेगा, ये सॉलिडिफाई नहीं होगा, ये सॉलिड होगा, हो गया है फिर भी ये लिक्विड है. तो इन दिस टाइप ऑफ मिक्सचर ये पेरिटेक्टिक सिस्टम बनती है. और it is also have some solubility, partial soluble, it is also for partial soluble. This indicate liquid plus solid one, means पहले जो solid बन गया है ये remaining liquid के साथ react होगा, it will create new solid. means ये अल्फा है और react होगा liquid के साथ, तो ये अल्फा को convert कर देगा बीटा में. This is the meaning of this equation. Liquid plus solid one already solidified first, it will converted into new solid. Here we have taken example of silver and platinum. Here platinum maximum and silver is 0. This is the temperature range of the melting and solidification. This red line is completely liquidous line. Above material is always liquid. This blue line and this blue line indicating solidification or solidus line. Below this line material will be converted into solid. Here we will take 3 examples. One is proportion is nearly 5%. This is A, B, C, same way in last eutectic mixture for partially soluble. Here alpha will start and alpha will be completed. This is the region of alpha. And this is solidification range up to 12% maximum. So alpha solidify up to 12% maximum, then its solubility reduce होती जा रही है. तो यहाँ में भी ये 5 to 6% तक solidify होगा. Maybe this is not necessary to remember exact the value, but here solubility of the alpha reduces. This is the other region where solidification start and E at end. And here other lines are available, and how this line is available we will discuss in one by one the solidification region. So we will discuss 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 and 5 are similar, almost similar. So this is for your assignment. You have to prepare solidification or indicate where solidify start and where end. What is in between available. So you have to indicate 3 position and you have to draw 3 phase. For first proportion, for this proportion we will discuss how solidification will occur. Point number A, for indicated here, point A is completely liquid state. We will solidify, it means it is transferring heat. At B, some alpha is created. Then the alpha phase or solid phase is started. And at this region, below the B and on the blue line, this red point, alpha will be converted, completely solidified in alpha. And in this region, any point, C or any point, it will be remain in alpha because it is completely soluble in this range. In the region of solubility, complete solubility, it will remain alpha, it will not change, whatever may be temperature. तो ये क्या हुआ कि प्योर प्लेटिनम है, ये यहाँ सॉलिडिफाई हो गया और it will remain in same phase, it will not change. So this is pure alpha phase, which was started earlier. Second proportion हम लेते हैं near to 30%. At point D, the alpha is started. Because here what happened, we can find the alpha is started. Draw the timeline. We are interested to find here what phase is started. So we can find from here. This is the indicate touching the solidus line. So by constructing this line, we can find which solid is created here. Alpha, one solid is started. Alpha in liquid is present in this region. But from tie line, we can find how many solid is created. So from this lever arm rule, we can find that here alpha is created. And continuously cooling up to point E, this alpha is growing. This dendrite will be growing. And up to which percentage is growing, that it depends on 12% is the maximum solubility. So at point E, it will remain 12%. And further cooling from E to F, its solubility is reducing. Alpha solubility is reducing. So this grown region will be decreased. So as compared to this area, this is small, become again small. Because here solubility is below solidification, this peritectic line, it is decreasing. So alpha remains there up to the limit of the solidification, solubility. Suppose ये 5-6% है, तो ये alpha 5 to 6% रहेगा यहाँ. And remaining converted into alpha plus delta. So this is alpha plus delta, green area. Here in peritectic reaction, which type of structure is not mentioned? Many authors, I have referred many authors, lamellar structure occurs or whatever may be random mannerly alpha and delta is solidified, that is not indicated. So we have to examine this structure, it is lamellar structure or any nodular or spheroidal structure, whatever may be, but it is the green is the mixture of alpha and delta. And it is pure alpha phase. This is alpha and delta phase, green is. So this is the sequence. At D, alpha started, alpha grow up to E, depends on maximum solubility of this silver, and again is solubility reducing. That's why this region is reducing. This area is reducing alpha. And remaining liquid, this red is converted into alpha plus delta phase. So here alpha phase as well as alpha plus delta phase is available. So in this way, in peritectic reaction, this is similar to, up to this region, it is similar to eutectic reaction. Eutectic reaction for partially soluble matter. Now this is different. What happened here? This is the composition at G. Metal is start solidify, and here is alpha is start, because from drawing this tie line, this will touch the alpha line, the blue line solidifying, indicating solidifying alpha region. So here alpha is started, and in this region you will find alpha plus liquid. Point G, solidification started, and here some mismatching is of the points. Here it should be G. So at G alpha is started, and point number P, here it is solidus line. So this is constant temperature line. Same way eutectic temperature, this is peritectic line and this is isothermal line. So what happened at P? Solidification started at horizontal line. At here solidification started, near end will take place. So before here some alpha was created, and here at this point some delta will start. Other phases start from this liquid metal. Other phases start. So here some alpha and delta will be available up to this point at P point. This is constant temperature line. So here new delta is created. Alpha is already grown up to 12%, because this is peritectic temperature line 1185 degree and 12% is the maximum solubility of alpha. So remaining is still liquid, and it will be converted into 100% solid at this point. This region is some between here, maybe not converted into 100% solid. So here three phases available, one is liquid, one alpha and one delta. At this point three phases available. After solidification, this alpha solid जो बन गया है वो भी by reacting this metal liquid, here it is liquid phase, you will draw the tie line. Here it is solid line, touch the solid line, but here is the liquid. So reacting with liquid, this liquid and this alpha phase will be converted into delta phase. So below this region, this will be converted into delta. This alpha will converted into delta. In this, between this region, this blue line and here, because still this is liquid metal, this is not solidified. So you can draw tie line here, it will touch liquidus line here, and this will touch the solidus line. So solid will be completely here, will be the delta. This yellow converted into blue, and it is converting into alpha to delta. And further cooling at point number G, the remaining liquid will be converted directly into delta. So at peritectic temperature, some yellow or alpha is converted from one solid to reacting with this liquid, and delta converted into delta. So what happened here? Alpha plus liquid converted into delta. That is the theme of this peritectic reaction. One solid 1 plus liquid converting to new solid 2. So this new solid 2 is delta. So below this line anyway you find only delta. And here what happened, this line indicating the delta solubility. This is peritectic point. At this point you find alpha plus delta. But this line is changing the proportion. So suppose you do this constant proportion, you here find alpha, and here it will be completely alpha, not alpha plus beta, pure alpha, and in this region it will be completely delta. So at this line it will be completely available alpha plus delta. So you have to follow the proportion of this line. At temperature 1185 it will be available here alpha plus delta phase, and here whatever may be initially proportion it will be changed here, and here is it also available alpha plus delta. So this is delta only, this is alpha plus delta, because here alpha is reacting with this region. The proportion of the delta is decreasing with this line. We will go for first line. Here delta solubility is reducing. So in this region delta is increasing. Here delta is in this region is decreasing. Total area length is percentage length is decreasing. Here complete alpha, here complete delta, and this is green line and this brown line indicating alpha plus delta. So here it may be lamellar structure or any arrangement, but it is the mixture of the alpha and delta phase. It is standard mixture. So in alpha and delta, some alpha may be pure. So here structure may be in this way. Some alpha will be pure. This is alpha. And some random manner there will be alpha plus delta. This geometry is pure alpha, this alpha plus delta. This is happening here. And this is pure delta. Suppose we consider this temperature is the 69% silver. What happened here? At liquidus line solidification start and delta phase starting here. At that point delta phase is starting. So this is peritectic point. Here in this side from this liquid line always alpha start, and in this side delta start. So here delta started and here delta will be end. Here delta is started, here delta plus liquid, and here delta will be end. So here pure delta is available.